10. Move purposefully. There are two kinds of ineffective presenters: those who move too little and those who move too much. Move too little and your audience is going to get bored. Move too much and the audience is going to experience you as nervous and unfocused. The goal is to be somewhere in the middle where your gestures punctuate your points and your movements make a statement. Proxemics is the scientific term for how your position in the space can affect the dynamics of your communication with your audience. When you change the usual proxemics, you step out from behind the podium or you lean in towards the camera during a webinar, you immediately get your audience's attention. Now that we've reviewed the key characteristics of an excellent presenter in any culture, let's see what techniques will help you deal with the specific problems that come from making a presentation in your non-native language.